Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna discuss about idioms to represent necessity or desire. I'll be preparing many videos on idioms to use in different occasions, and it will be available as a playlist here in the I button above. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Let's do it. So the first idiom which we're gonna speak about is won't go amiss. Won't go amiss. This means that something will be very useful or very good. So let's consider this in a COVID-19 situation. So you're having some mild symptoms of COVID-19, like a simple flu or loss of taste or smell or something like that, and you're calling the hospital. I have a mild flu and I've lost my sense of taste and smell, and your advice wouldn't go amiss. So this means you're asking the doctor for his advice, and you're saying that the advice will be very useful. The advice is going to be useful, and amiss means that out of place or out of position. Wouldn't go amiss means it will be very useful. The second one we're gonna speak about is take your pick. Take your pick. This means that you're choosing an option from a group of options. Let's consider this too with a COVID-19 example. You were doing a registration for your shot and you had a feeling that you could take your pick. And when you reached the vaccination center, you realized that you were getting the shot which was decided by the health officials over there. So you were disappointed that you couldn't take your pick. So here, take your pick means choosing an option from a group of options. Take your pick. Take your pick. The third one we're gonna discuss about is won't touch with a barge pole. Won't touch with a barge pole. So let's picture this. Your friend has a birthday yesterday and she brought a cake to school today, and the only person knowing about this was you, and you were blamed when her cake went missing afternoon. And you were like, what? I wouldn't even touch it with a barge pole. And this means that you wouldn't even consider doing something like that. Wouldn't even touch it with a barge pole. Wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. It means that you wouldn't even consider doing something like that. The next one we are gonna discuss about is in keeping with. In keeping with. So this means accepting something. So let's picture this. You are one of the best sports clubs in your region, and it was close to the COVID crisis, and you all were having an online conference. And you had a suggestion that we can do physical exercises at our home through an online conference, and nobody seemed to be interested in keeping with your idea. So this means that nobody was interested in accepting your idea. In keeping with means accepting something. In keeping with, accepting something. The next one we're gonna discuss about is if push comes to shove. If push comes to shove. Let's elaborate with an example. Your state is experiencing a surge in COVID-19 cases and the vaccine rollout is really slow, and you are deciding that if the push comes to shove, you're going to leave the town. This means that if the push comes to shove, you are thinking that things will be out of hands or it will be out of control. So I'll give you 3 seconds to guess the meaning of this idiom. 1, 2, 3. You got it? I hope you got it. So this means if something goes really bad, this would happen. Or that would happen. It's a condition over here. It's like a conditional clause. If something bad happens, this is going to be done. Or that is going to be done. So I hope you understood all those idioms I was discussing today and you will use it. And these are some which we really use when we're speaking about necessity or desire. If you have any doubt, just recap it and I'm pretty sure you're gonna get it. Talk soon.